Here's a virtual train station built in Unreal Engine 5. So Vin wants full immersion. He's told us on this show in the past that what he strives for is full immersion so he can live in solitary confinement. Mm-hmm. Will, you're sort of halfway there some days.
Yeah.
This is Unreal Engine 5, so let's go ahead and check it out. Oh, shut the hell up. That's pretty damn good.
It's the jittery camera.
That's pretty damn good, yeah. That is
wait for it.
Pretty damn convincing.
This is probably, I think, somewhere near Japan. Like, in terms of atmosphere.
You see, if this, and I'm seeing this...
You are on a headset.
And there's a storyline, and... So then why how long until this game comes out?
It's not a game.
No, I know, but what's holding back the game companies? Like, how long until...
I think it's computer power.
Yeah, computer power, storage, whatever.
The train's coming?
God, the train's coming.
That's pretty...
With the sound and everything, it's very immersive.
It's pretty good.
But it gets pretty intense later. It's not a scary game.
Full
it's not a
immersion.
Jump scare or anything.
Full immersion.
It's weird how if you're...
The weird part, though, is that you're...
Oh my goodness. Now you're in a horror movie.
Yeah.
But, like, if I'm there in real life, I'm not afraid, at least during the day. But in this, it's the camera. It's the...
Yeah. But imagine putting on VR goggles and just being fully immersed in this world.
But, well, okay, so then from what you've experienced...
Real time. Like...
From what you've experienced, like, what percentage, how close to this...
It's...
From what you've
I would say it's pretty close.
50%.
Was it Half-Life Alyx is a game that is very immersive.
How close to this?
No.
It's pretty close. Wireless streaming, it's not bad.
Let me tell you what the problem is, Vin. You will still bump into walls weirdly. Your movements will still be lacking fluidity.
You get close to a wall and the pixels. And everything.
I don't know. It's just that there will be some tell because you're so used to reality.
You can't walk up steps in your house, right? So it wouldn't feel like you're walking up steps.
It's incredible. Somebody in the chat says, "Will do. Please stop acting like you've been to Japan."
Hasn't he?
I have.
Yeah.
Flexing?
Just once.
It's incredible. It's
amazing.
It's
done by one person.
Running in Unreal Engine 5 using Lumen, no nanite, models, textures, animation, video editing. I mean, no.
I'll bring the headset with Half-Life
let's
Alyx.
let Finn try it on air.
You can try it.
Bring it on Wednesday and
set it up.
Let him or Ryan.
I was just looking at your space. Like, this space is great for VR because it's flat, it's safe. You know, it's not like a lot of things you could bump into.
I was thinking we would just put it on for you guys right here. We would do an update on the show.
Sure.
And try to provide you with as much immersion as we could.
Yeah.
Well, but they're not releasing, like, they would have the file that you could, or no, that's not VR at all. This is just 2D.
Yeah, that's just a video render.
But they would
It's not rendered in 3D.
It's not rendered
the headset he's going to bring couldn't run that. No, dude. What is the resolution even? That
well, yeah. I mean, the resolution would be low, but the fidelity would be almost. It'll be close.
Well, anyway, we're gonna give you whatever we can give you. Obviously, we'll give you whatever experience.
But there's no headset that you can plug into a PC powerful enough that doesn't need to.
Yeah. You can run it wirelessly too. It's getting there, man.
Somebody here says you can rebuild old childhoods with that.
Oh my.
Yeah, that's cool.
Would you
Black Mirror.
redo your childhood? Relive it?
That sounds creepy.
No.
No?
No.
You wouldn't insert the childhood cartridge again?
How much time is this gonna take
No.
though? I don't know. You're not getting me on the metaverse anytime soon.
Oh, you want to go into a metaverse conversation?
No, I'm saying you're not getting me into it.
I know. You're against it.
Well, we're probably already living in it, actually.